Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. So today's video, I'm gonna try to attempt a slick back ponytail, you guys. I'm not even going to do a lot of talking, but if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. So yeah, you guys, so we're gonna get straight into it. I haven't washed my hair. Well, I washed my hair last week. So it's not really dirty or anything, but I didn't do a retwist. So because I didn't do a retwist, your girl naps is out, which I honestly don't mind at all. Don't get me wrong, y'all. Let me remove my ring, because with this style, you guys, you're gonna need to like make sure your hands are comfortable. So we're gonna do a middle part slick back ponytail. It's been a minute since I've done one, you guys, so it might be a little hard. But anyways, you guys, so what you're gonna need is, of course, you're gonna need some water or rose water, whatever moisturizing ingredients that you use. And then you're gonna need some oil, of course, to moisturize your scalp. You're gonna need a brush to, like, you know, brush down your edges or whatever. And then you're gonna need some type of edge control or whatever you use, or gel, whatever you use to, you know, slick down your hair. Okay, so for me, I'm going to be using Edge Booster. That's what I've been using for like, I think, a year now, and I really do like it. So we're gonna get started. So I'm gonna use the viewfinder as my mirror. I have a mirror right here, but it's so small, so I'm gonna use the viewfinder as my mirror. So you could just go into, like, focus more on the front of your hair. Of course, moisturize your whole hair, especially if you haven't moisturized it for the day, which I haven't. But you know, we're trying to slick down the front, so focus more on that. I really don't like this spray bottle, you guys, because it makes my hand be hurting by the time, like, on the other side. I gotta, like, alternate. All right, so now we're just gonna apply the oil. This is my oil that I make, which I'm going to be selling soon, you guys, in the next few months. So make sure you guys stay tuned for it. This oil, you guys, been, you know, really helping my hair grow and just keep my hair healthy and moisturized. So I really love this oil, you guys, and I can't wait for you guys to, you know, try it and, you know, see if you guys like it. So be on the lookout, y'all. Okay, so now we're just going to put a little bit to seal in our moisture, so that our hair can look nice, healthy, shiny. I had this curl, you guys, before this style, so that's why my hair looks a little loose, wave, or whatever it got going on. That's why it has that. That's why it looks like that, which it's not a big deal. All right, so now that we have prepped our hair, now we are going to make sure that the front, like, you know, I'm going to try to, like, because I did retwist the front part, I'm gonna, like, unretwist them, because I want to give more, like, of a loose, natural look. So when you do that, so I'm gonna untwist the front. And you don't have to do this. I'm just, you know, preferring to do that, you guys. We're gonna re-wet it again. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to brush them babies down. Okay, we're going to brush. Oh, it feels so good. Like, it feels so good. This is me brushing my hair, y'all. I love brushing my hair. Oh yeah. Alright, so you're just gonna brush that baby until, you know, it's to your liking. Okay, some people put gel, you guys. I don't use gel in my hair, so I'm just gonna put as much, you know, put water in it, try to slick it down again. All right, so you're gonna get a scrunchie and get that bad boy ready. So what you're gonna do is literally, so it's gonna be a slit back, low ponytail. Okay, let me try to turn so you guys can see. See, my head never can like, okay. I hope you guys saw what I just did. Okay. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our edges, the most important part, because that's what gives the hairstyle character. So we're gonna spray it again. Now we're gonna grab our edge control and then do your edges however you like, you guys. I'm not the best with edges, but I'm gonna do my best. So now we're going to tie our hair. I'm gonna tie it up. Hey guys, so we are back. Your girl got her makeup done. Anyways guys, so this is the time, the reveal. Okay, so I had it down for about, I will say about 40 to an hour, you guys, because I was doing my makeup. So you guys, I'm so excited to see. Yeah, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, first let's fix this because I did not this part did not get anything. Oh my god, like, do you guys see how slick? Do y'all see? Y'all see how slick? Like, let me get a little closer for y'all. Do you guys see the slickness of this hairstyle? Like, I don't think you guys can understand how nice this turned out. Like, oh my god, yeah. Like, I just, every time I do a hairstyle, guys, I just continue to amaze myself of how wonderful and beautiful my locks are, and how I can just achieve any hairstyle you want, you guys. You can achieve it with locks. Like, well, not everything, but like most hairstyles you can achieve. Like, look how, like, it's the edges, it's the way that it's looking like I'm natural, but oh, with locks, you know, I am all natural. Like, you can't tell in the front that I have locks. I'm sorry, I have like oil splashed off my shirt, but I am so pleased with this style. Like, you guys, like, I am so shocked. It's just so beautiful. Like, it's so slick. And y'all, I didn't use no gel in my hair, just my edges. I did with the edge booster. Even my edges, y'all, like, even my edges is showing out right now. Like, This style is beautiful. Like, it was effortless, it was easy, but it's still, this camera does this like in person, you guys. Like, this camera it doesn't give justice. It's not giving like what it's really like in person, you guys. This hairstyle is just miraculous. Like, oh my god, like this is probably going to be my new go-to. Well, not all the time, because you know you can't be pulling your hair all the time into a ponytail, but this might be like one of my to-go hairstyles, you guys, because I just love how I slicked this down and it just turned out so beautiful, so effortless. Like, I am so happy, you guys. I'm so happy with the result. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think down in the down below, because let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna take some pictures, of course, because this okay. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, because I'm gonna keep on bringing more style. Oh, I just messed up my face. I'm gonna bring more styles for you guys, quick and easy hairstyles, so you guys stay tuned. Okay, your girl is coming with some more styles. Okay, make sure you subscribe, make sure you have your notification bell on. And yeah, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.